Oh,
This is our
you mean locality?
locality. Yes.
At first I tried to this. Why you told me?
You never,
Oh,
you know.
I feel so dizzy, but now it tastes so good. It can make my teeth like this, like you. It's so nice not to eat this.
This is our how to say our
Locality, you mean?
locality. Yes.
Oh, yes, yes,
Our
yes.
locality.
What is the name of this locality?
This locality is Molibang.
Okay.
Molibang. It is very clear. It is very
Yeah, yeah. So fresh now, like that also. And also the place is so clean. Like this place.
The kampung is very
Yes, yeah. Oh, I mean this village name is
Sangpong.
what?
Sangpong.
Tangpong.
Sangpong.
Sangpong.
Ah,
Okay, okay, I got it, bro.
we will go there. That is more than beautiful place.
Okay, okay, okay.
You know it.
Actually, that person who tipped me, when I tell him that are you a tourist guide, but he said that he's a terrorist.
Terrorist.
Yes, that's
Maybe-
why I feel scared.
Maybe he don't know English.
Yeah, I think so.
He doesn't know English now.
I think so.
Me too. My English it doesn't good. It doesn't know it.
But I understand you now. It's okay, brother. Brother, that guy who stole my smartphone. You know him, right?
Oh, I know him. He's Maban.
Okay, let's talk to him, brother.
Okay. Kita gampang no, kan?
Gambarannya menjal,
Hah?
gambaran.
Sit.
What,
Yeah,
what
I'll
is he talking, brother?
Oh, he told I'm not.
You mean that he's not the one who stole?
Yes.
No, brother. I swear. He stole everything.
Terus kenapa mana?
Aku udah makan mana?
Gambar ya? Tuang di hok na?
Hopster. Jangan yang mana? Mau yang mana?
I don't know. I don't get what he's saying, brother.
Oh, he said this also is your.
No. I remember exactly. He stole everything from me. My bag. This brother don't lie.
Cecak man.
Aku makan mana?
Penyong pal. This
It is my phone, brother.
It's your phone.
Yes, look, this is my card. Here is
Yeah.
my name.
Apa yang kali
See.
jenglong mana mempan?
Ngau yo riap tu. Terak ban rak bro kata.
Sang mayam to na.
Utas apina.
Kali jenglong mai kilang rasonga. Hampi ayu tu ubru wan tu ni hampi ada kan mi yujung hum kam nim na. Okay, let me take sim. Okay. May hamman puro kam na. Lakam ni nang may bakit rasonga. Okay, let's go. Ano,
Brother.
listen to me. So how much money do you have in your bag?
Oh, if I lost this, brother, I lost everything because here I have $3,000, brother.
You told me you have money in your bag, right?
Yes, brother. I have here. Here's my card, brother. Look.
No,
this is my
in your bag.
James. Oh, yes, in my bag. In my bag too.
Sino ka tu ko bag ko? Muna. Tu pisalot mi kanang. Ta. Don't worry about that money. I will give you. Okay, let's go.
Okay, brother.
May ham kita sunga kan jenglong.
Okay, brother. We'll go, brother.
Kamu kan Nigro, itu mirkut kemudian jaro. Siapa tu? Sudah kuyo. Tulis dan Nigro tu.
I'm so happy, bro. I got back this my phone. Thank you very much, bro. It's okay. Because I just have cut my hair. That's why I wear like this now, bro. Because in here, many people I have seen that the reaction of the people. What is that? It is just like that now. That's why I cut this hair. I have to be local, bro. I want to taste everything here. Okay, bro. What is your favorite spot, bro?
my favorite sport before football, but now,
Yes.
but nowadays there is no song.
This is also a football jersey, bro. It is. I buy it in. What is this?
You bought from
Shillong La Jong. Shillong La Jong, bro. I buy this jersey. I love Shillong La Jong, bro. I love Meghalaya.
you bought it from Shillong.
Yes, I bought it from Shillong. Before I know also that what Khasi language, no, bro.
Yes.
Ongumno Kuble Shibun. I got it, bro. It is like that. Hey, bro, I want to ask you something.
Yes.
Is there any studio here?
No, here is no studio. Maybe in another half, maybe there is studio, but in my half there's no studio. But no idea about studio because I didn't record the music. I didn't have interest to record the music and.
Oh, you don't have interested in
No.
music?
Yes.
Look, bro, I will explain to you.
Yes.
Music is like this, bro. When you are happy, bro,
Yes.
when you listen the music in happy time, you feel very relief and you enjoy the music. But when you are sad,
Yes.
every lyrics in the music, there is a meaningful. You understand the lyrics, right now, bro?
Yes. Yes. You're
It
right.
is like that, the music. When you enjoy, you feel, you enjoy the music. But when you are sad, you understand the lyrics. It is a very meaningful. And sometime also, bro, if you are sad, you listening the sad song, you will feel more understanding that your heart also. It is. You will feel like that song is for you. Here, what is the popular song, bro? I heard some song that. What song is that, bro?
I don't know because
Oh, that
I don't-
hot.
I don't
What
have
song is that?
I don't have time to.
I only know a little bit, bro. That song. Come. Oh my God, man! I don't know what.
Okay.
Ika mensim ngakat syabangang yo iking. I don't know, bro. Sorry, I don't know that lyrics, bro.
Okay.
But I feel that music. It is a very interested, bro. Mostly the people here used to listen that song. And then what is that? That trending one. I heard it in Shillong also. They used to play most of that song. In reels also, bro. I saw that one person is doing reels that song. Okay, bro. Enough about that song. So, bro, I just want a request from you, bro. For now, I want to have time to spend alone now, because, bro, I want to focus on my music. I want to record, bro.
You
if
are
we are
singer?
here together, yes, bro, I'm a singer. So I will get distracted from you, bro. Okay, it's not that I'm chasing you, bro. I just want to record the music, because if they hear like this, like that, bro, there's so much noise now, bro. I just want to have in the single room, and you understand now, bro?
Yes, I understand because
bro.
when you recording the music because it's very louder. no?
Yes, bro. Yes,
Okay.
I got it.
You can
yes.
stay here, then you can sleep here. You can do
Here, bro.
You can do everything here, but food eating we can eat together. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it, bro.
Okay, I will go there because I have to go. How to say? Okay,
Where? What do you mean?
just now I'm busy.
Okay,
I will come
bro.
back. Okay.
Okay, bro. Me too. I'll do record now, bro. Okay.
Listen to me. You can talk with her with action now.
Yes.
Talk with her, then okay. I will talk with her. Okay.
Okay, bro. Okay.
Cool.